This is the Max11 AMOLED screen display. Beautiful, thin watch. Lots of different features on this. All kinds of settings, capabilities, weather, time, you name it. You got your step count, calories burned, distance traveled against your goals. You have real-time heart rate from midnight to midnight, showing you your current heart rate as soon as you land on here, and it gets a reading for you, your high, your low, and actually when they happen. You've got blood oxygen readings using red diode technology in this one. It even measures stress on a one-by-one basis, and will tell you your level of stress, the heart rate variability measurement. You got last night's sleep information and your deep, light, and awake breakdown. You also have here, check this out, the weather forecast and information in Fahrenheit or centigrade in your area. You've got UV indexes, you've got wind speed, humidity, rainfall, all of that. You got mobile music you can play through the watch, music streaming from your phone, or tap that and it switches back, and you can use it to control the music playing out of your watch. Twist your wrist to see the time is on this one. You've got all kinds of information related to your contacts if you bring them in, call history, and a dial pad to place a phone call. Nice speaker on this side and microphone on the other side. Works really well. When you get out of here, you can go into a breathing exercise, inhale, exhale to relax. Ladies, if you're coordinated with this thing and set it up, you can let everybody, well, at least you, know exactly where you are in your cycle. And of course, you can personalize all of those cards right there with that button. This way, get you a one-card thing that shows you your weather information, play your music and all of your recently used apps, last 3, plus where you are in your step count information as well. That's in here too. And notifications sent from your watch. And I want to show you this. When you set this up in settings for standby dial, turn it on. You have a digital or a pointer style. I want to show you the pointer because it's just exceptional. You come back to the main screen, let it time out, and of course you can change your timeout from like 5 seconds to 30 seconds or so. It's set for 10. You have animated watch faces with lots of detail, and there is the always on screen for this one. It's sweet, it's really nice, and it's just fun to wear it like that. And twist your wrist does not work when you're in this mode, so you will always have that screen on. If you want to light it back up, press here, slide down, tap that one, and the screen will remain on for 5 minutes no matter what you have it on. So you have many options of how your screen is going to display from completely off to completely on, always on, or whatever. It is called the Max11. Check it out.